Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox this phone from UMIDIGI, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, like I said earlier, yes, I'm gonna unbox this phone from UMIDIGI. I want to actually shout them out for sending this to me for a review. This is the UMIDIGI F1 phone. It's brand new for 2019. It has some great specs on paper, which we're about to go over too really quick. But let's see what you get in the box really quick. Then I'm gonna come back with a different video, show you how to set it up, how easy it was, and then also give you my first impressions. But let's get this going. Let's see what you get in the box. Nice little presentation from them. Bam. Let's see. Flip it this way. UMIDIGI. Oh, you get a little thank you card. Bam. A giveaway. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But you have the phone right off the back. Look at that thing. It has a screen protector on it. A little hint of what color I got. You do get another pack that says link to the world. It's a SIM card, a tool, and then some papers. We don't read that, so we'll put this on the side too. You get a charging brick. I think it's 18 watts, so it's fast charging. Great thing about this phone too, for the price, you do get Type-C charging cable. So it has Type-C in there too. So that's enough with the box. Let's put this on the side. Let's get to the real reason why we came here. And that is the phone itself. It actually comes with a case included. I wish more manufacturers did that. Bam, here's the case. Actually has little grips on it, so that feels good. But here's the phone. Look, oh, take that. Oh, look at that red. Man, look at that red. So let's go over the phone really quick. Bam, so you have a microphone there. Looks like you have a headphone jack, believe it or not. You also have a speaker down at the bottom, Type-C charging. On the right-hand side, you have your power button, the volume rockers. At the top, you have another microphone. And then on the left-hand side, you have your SIM card slot. Bam, it's starting up already. I'm agreed to that. Here's where the phone can shine, especially for the price. Let me go over the specs. Then I'm going to let y'all guess the price, and I'm going to tell y'all that too. But you have a 6.3-inch Waterdrop notch display. It's 2340 by 1080p. A 1080p screen, that's awesome. 408 PPI. It actually has a screen ratio of 19.5 by 9. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. I know, sit down for a little bit because the battery size is going to get to you too. It has a 5150 milliamp hour battery. Yes, I said that right. 5,150 milliamp hour battery. It has 18 watt fast charging on here. It has a 16 megapixel camera in the front. On the back, you have a 16 megapixel with an 8 megapixel camera in the rear with the fingerprint scanner. It's also running Android 9.0 straight out the box. So no update from Android Oreo to Pie. It already has Pie on there. It's supposed to have a dual speaker up there too, which we will put to the test. It has a MediaTek processor, the P60 in here. So we're definitely going to put that to the test. The cameras can shoot in 1080p. 30 frames per second, no 4K, and no 1080p at 60. I wish that was an option. Now, you can pick this up from Amazon. Pause the video for a little bit. Yes, the price is only $219 right now. $219. You can actually, at the taping of this recording, you can actually get 5% off. $208 for this type of phone. I hope it performs well. I hope the battery lasts a good time. I hope the cameras actually work really good. But this was just a quick unboxing. So let me go ahead and do some comparisons really quick. Here's my G7. You can see that this one's a little bit taller and a little bit wider too. Look at the thickness at the bottom. Look at that. Let's check out my new mobile, the G3 Plus. I'm going to put these two together. You know I have to. Bam. Definitely a bigger phone. One thing else I forgot to mention, which I'm gonna do in the next video, is show y'all the speeds I get on here. This phone has all the LTE bands, CDMA and GSM unlocked, so you can use this on Sprint, T-Mobile, Cricket, any carrier out there that has GSM or CDMA, you can definitely use this on. Alright, so this was just a quick unboxing of the phone. I'm gonna come back and give you my first impressions and initial setup of the phone. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Be part of the BAM Nation. And to the next video, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.